Good morning, Pamuka Wealth Empire family. Today, you're about to embark on a journey that will transform your life and finances forever. I'm here to share a powerful success plan that could triple your income and turn you into a millionaire. But before we dive into the details, I want you to imagine the life you desire. Picture having everything you need without worrying about money. Imagine the satisfaction of reaching your biggest dreams. Hold on to that vision, because with the method I'm about to show you, it's not only possible but within your grasp. Friends, if you're ready to learn how to get rich and take control of your life and finances, then come with me as we explore the millionaire method. This journey will lead us to wealth, success, and the life of our dreams. You are in charge of your present and future. The life you live now is the result of your past choices and actions, but you can change it by making decisions aligned with your goals and desires. The only limits on what you can achieve are the ones you place on yourself. Take responsibility for your thoughts, words, and actions. It's crucial to learn from those who've gone from poverty to wealth in just one generation. Think faster, make smarter choices, and act more effectively. If I teach you how to manage your money, you'll reach your financial goals faster than you ever imagined. Let's start by forming habits that will turn you into a winner. The good news is you can learn any skill through practice. Change your attitude and character as needed. Write your own story. If you're unhappy with your current situation, you can start over. Your habits, both good and bad, shape your life. Unlearn bad habits and replace them with good ones through consistent practice. Feed your mind with positivity. Avoid negative influences from TV, newspapers, and conversations. Protect your mind, your most valuable asset. Fill it with good things and stay focused on your goals. Engage with positive, goal-oriented people. Remember Tony Robbins' advice: you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with those who inspire you. Be action-oriented. Studies show that successful people take immediate action on ideas and opportunities. Don't just talk about what you'll do it now. Develop a clear vision of your future and make a strategy to achieve it. Commit to continuous learning and taking the lead in your life. Don't wait for things to get better. Make the changes yourself. Changing your thoughts and becoming a great person isn't easy, but you can do it. Take responsibility for your growth and act immediately on ways to improve your life. Cultivate a sense of urgency. Being known as someone who acts quickly is invaluable. Taking full responsibility for your finances is the first step to becoming a millionaire. Most wealthy people aren't looking for quick fixes. They plan their finances meticulously, aiming for steady growth. Wealth grows through careful, patient, and relentless effort. To become wealthy, think differently about money. Change your character, attitude, and habits. The first million is tough, but the second is almost certain. Once you've made $1 million, you'll know how to do it again, even if you lose everything. Frugality is key. Wealthy people handle their money wisely, avoiding unnecessary spending. Save at least 10% of your income. Over time, this habit will grow your wealth. Avoid debt and live within your means. Save bonuses, tax returns, and unexpected income to accelerate your savings. Learn to negotiate better deals and invest wisely. Take your time to study and understand any investment before committing. Seek advice from trusted financial advisors and plan to protect your assets from unnecessary taxes and legal issues. Compound interest is a powerful force. Most millionaires built their wealth over time through smart investments. Save diligently and let your money grow. Plan your finances carefully and aim for long-term growth. To wrap up, Aristotle said, being happy is the most important thing in life. Developing wealthy habits is a great goal, but true happiness comes from being a well-rounded, determined, and financially successful individual. You have the power to change your financial future. Stay committed, take bold actions, and never lose sight of your goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Follow the millionaire method with dedication and enthusiasm, and may it lead you to a life of abundance, happiness, and fulfillment. Remember, Think like a millionaire and watch your income grow. It won't always be easy, but with perseverance and the right mindset, you can achieve great things. Thanks for being a part of Pamuka Wealth Empire. Until next time, stay confident and brave. Let's make your dreams a reality. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on achieving financial freedom and wealth, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.